twice. It's their second time. And she's gonna be doing the glow in the dark. I'll be doing
This one,
butter slime.
and I'll be doing clear slime.
And or you can make fluffy.
I'll make clear fluffy slime.
Okay. Well, not clear because we have colors and food coloring, and then we have neon, glow in the dark, and then there's that.
So
So
then we got our big spoons that we can stir the slime with in our bowls.
Yep.
Mine's a little tilted, but that's fine.
okay.
Mine's the only one tilted.
And then
Make sure you subscribe.
comment down below if you want us to do more videos like this or whatever videos you want us to do.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll start grabbing my slime kitty. So this is my slime up closely. This is mine.
She's
Clear. You can probably not see it because it's still. Let's start opening.
Don't use all of it, just do some.
I know. I can use all mine.
I can't.
Don't. This is how it looks. Ow. It's like sparkly.
I'm gonna do blue.
Corey, you might want to use more because it has to fill up the whole thing.
Yeah, do a little.
Give me one. I'm doing clear.
And this is how you
fluffy
take it
slime
out.
and everything. You guys watch this. Okay, so color I'm going for is like a bright pink. Okay, now I'm just gonna start mixing up my with my hands. Okay, I might add like a few lots of drops.
Oh yeah, I need some more. Oh yeah.
I need some more. Yeah, mine's still pretty sticky, guys. I need you to put mine in because Carl, you know, right before you stick your hands in, you put it borax on. I already did, but I need some more. Okay.
I'm just gonna go in.
I already did. I'm just gonna wait because I don't want to get my hands that.
Just start.
You guys look, like my slime's turning out perfect.
Mine too.
It's just like purple.
Mine's just really sticky.
Mine's really sticky too.
I want some more slime here.
Comment down below if you love slime and slime.
Okay, so my hands are fully ruined.
So I forgot to tell you guys this, but one where we blindfold it, where we get blindfolded, and whoever makes the best slime, wins, and we're gonna be giving away a free GoPro only if you guys
enter the giveaway.
you go down to the comments and you comment
Say that you like this video.
and like this video and subscribe and then follow our social medias.
Yeah.
And whoever does all that will know, and whoever does all that will get a free GoPro, a really nice one.
Yeah.
And let's try and get this off my hands.
I'm trying. Sorry for the fart noises, you guys. Wait, you have fart? She has like a fart slime. Mine's turning out really good. Now it's like my color. Okay, now it's like my color. I'm like Eggo. I'm Flipper Girl. Did you know I'm Flipper Girl, you guys? Look, I'm Flipper Girl. Hey, you're getting me the slime on mine. I am going to be doing like this video of like me doing like trying to like blindfold myself and like pick a box, and then which one I pick, it's like gonna have money in it, and it's gonna, and then actually the money don't go to me, it goes to you guys if you guys see and comment down below your names and everything. Okay, so you guys, it's starting to sort of come off my fingers. Mine too, though.
My shoe's really sticky.
That's good. Some of you guys think that sticky slime is not good slime. It actually is really good. Yeah.
I don't like sticky slime.
Me either, but it's actually fun to play with that. Look at this, you guys, look. Ooh, yeah. I know. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I love this slime now. I'm gonna have this slime forever. Okay, I got you ruin it. Okay,
That's probably gonna be tomorrow.
I got all the stuff off of my hand, and this is what it comes out looking like. Wait, let's see if it's glow in the dark. Let's see if mine's glow in the dark.
Okay, turn off the light.
Yep, mine's glow in the dark.
Wait, shut off that light.
I can't. My hand. Turn off the purple light. I can't. I can't. You guys, I can. They asked me to turn off the light, but look at my hand. Seriously, that's my hand right there. Okay, let me turn off the light. Turn off the computer. Like, okay. Yes, it is glow in the dark. I got glow in the dark slime. Okay, so I love this slime so much, but I think it's not purple, you know. So I did the glow in the dark. She got so much slime there. Okay, you got barely any.
So, mine smells like clear glue.
Yours smells like, yours smells like strawberries. Yeah, that's not a good thing. Mine smells like yucky strawberries. No, it's gummy. No, seriously, it does. It actually kind of smells good.
Smells like shaving foam.
Hey, it smells good. Mine's stretchy now.
Mine's not working at all, you guys. I think I'm just gonna have this on my hands for keep eating it.
Yeah. You guys, it's getting so much bigger.
It's so sticky.
I'm so hairy. Your signs. Are you kidding me? The keyboard. Oh my goodness. You just did that to play with my slime.
Maybe.
Should I make
Put it
my
in the middle.
slime a different color? Oh no.
Get off my hands.
Mine's easy, literally. I think the best slime that never sticks to you, literally. Mine can so clean. You guys, look, it's not working at all, but that's what I said with my last one, so. I think I'm just gonna take that away. Are you kidding me? Hers is like the cold slime. Are you seriously kidding me? Mix it all together. Mix it all together. And I want to see what it looks like. Oh, she's mixing it. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that's cute. She
Wow. That was a good idea to do that, huh? Do you like this slime more than your
Oh my gosh.
Do you like this slime more than your other slime?
Yes. It's. Oh, let me show you guys up close. Oh my
It
god.
looks like a clown house. No, it looks like a rose, a colorful rose. No, it looks like a clown house.
I don't even want to mix it.
No. Are you?
Bro. Guys, look.
This is so pretty. And it's in the straw. I'm very.
What color do you guys think it's gonna be? Comment down below. And don't cheat. What color do you think it's gonna be?
None of you think so. Oh. That's our daddy. Do you like this?
Who's that?
The
You having fun?
Yes.
How did it turn out?
She had purple and blue. I just mixed mine together and made green. Oh, like my shirt. There, there.
You ever call your friend Dawn? You ever get home?
Look at Kaylee's and this one. Like hers didn't turn out as well as she wanted it.
Oh well. It's pretty.
Okay.
Okay. So this has been
We'll
the
be back.
video.
We'll be back in a half hour.
Okay. Love you. Bye.
And this is the end of the video.
This is the end. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video and want to see more, comment down below and
Subscribe.
like,
Hit
and
that.
turn on
Like
that post
button.
notifications, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.